name is Vanessa. I've worked as a PA in hand surgery for over 13 years, and I love sharing tips and tricks that I learned along the way. One of those is how to make a homemade or DIY cold pack. Some people say bags of frozen peas, other people use ice cubes. You got lots of options. One of the options is to use Caro syrup, okay? Caro syrup and 2 Ziploc baggies. So I'm going to pour an entire bottle of Caro syrup into the Ziploc bag. Then we will take time to put it in the freezer so that you can see how nice and cold it gets. What works well for upper extremity injuries when there is a cast or splint in place is that you put the cold pack up in the armpit. We'll talk more about that in a second, but isn't this great? I'm going to take that Ziploc bag and put it inside another Ziploc bag. Seal it up. Then I'm going to flatten it out. All right, I'm going to put this in the freezer and we'll check back in a minute. Okay, that was only 5-10 minutes that this was in the freezer. It is already cold and cool and moldable. So it would be great to put around a hand, a wrist, a foot, an ankle, a toe. Also the thing that we talk about with upper extremity injuries, when there is a splint or a cast on the arm, the cold won't get through that. So it's good to put that cold pack up in the armpit. All those nerves that carry messages of pain that go to the brain go through the armpit. So this, for 20 minutes at a time, can be really helpful with pain. All right, here's to your DIY cold pack.